Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into JupyterX to tackle a neat little trick: how to hide a couple of blog posts from the beginning of your blog page. I'll show you exactly how to do that using the Advanced Posts widget and its offset setting. And if you're new here, JupyterX is an all-in-one Elementor-based WordPress theme with 200,000 plus users, 450 plus ready-made websites, exclusive WooCommerce features, and no Elementor Pro needed. Let's get started. To start, I'll select the Advanced Posts widget. Scrolling down the Edit Advanced Posts panel, we need to find the Offset settings, which is in the Search and Filter tab. This field controls how many posts are to be excluded from appearing on the page. Let's see how it works. By increasing the offset, we're going to tell the system how many initial posts to skip over. Let's crank this number up a bit and see what happens. Increasing the offset number even more. Gotta get it just right, you know? Now I think that's enough. The offset is set to 4, which hides those initial blog posts, so that works for me. And there you have it. You now know how to use the Advanced Posts widget and the offset setting to hide those initial blog posts and customize your blog layout in JupyterX. I hope this helps you create the perfect look for your blog. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.